Rot. 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 Verb. Definition: chiefly of animal or vegetable matter, decay or cause to decay by the action of bacteria and fungi, decompose. Example: the chalets were neglected and their woodwork was rotting away. Noun. Definition: the process of decaying. Example: the leaves were turning black with rot. Noun. Definition: a process of deterioration, a decline in standards. Example: there is enough talent in the team to stop the rot. Noun. Definition: nonsense, rubbish.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.